the first section that we're going to be taking is from center in front through the hairline. You don't need very much. You want it to be thin, but just enough where you can showcase the color. All the way down and around through the back. Now she does have an undercut, so we left that out, but we're taking about a solid inch in the back. And why we're doing this is because we're going to be doing some deeper tones in through this section to create a different contrast against what we're going to be doing up top. So the second part of our application, our dry application, is going to be a shatter root. So we're going to start applying that as well because we want another deep effect at the base. So I know some of you are watching this and wondering why I've applied the toner on dry hair instead of using the Vivids. Well, the reason being is I want to create a base for her that's going to reinforce the Vivids that I'm going to apply next. So the first thing we're going to do now is rinse out the color that we've already applied, and then we're going to apply the rest of the toner on damp hair.